Hello everyone and welcome back. We are having another sale. I am still destashing some of my supplies because I have discovered one thing about myself. I love to make junk journal embellishments. So I've got to sell some so that I've got room to make some more. So here's what I'm offering you today. This card that I have made here has got two embellishments. We have an altered paperclip. That's a jumbo paperclip with this little chain with hearts. It has layers of lace. There's one layer. There is two well, that one is attached, and 3 and 4. So there's 4 total layers of lace there. This one has some eyelash yarn and 2 layers of lace. This one's hanging from a bulb pin that has some seed beads on it. And then I just added this beautiful paper flower that I made. So that comes on that card. This is a button card with 4 buttons that I made. And these buttons have been clear embossed, so they have that plastic feel to the top of them, have a shine and a plastic feel to them. You can use them as is in a pocket in a junk journal, or you can take them off and use them, sew them onto a junk journal page, however you want to do it. And then I've included this little tag that I made with the word treasure, and it's got these beautiful rose gold, this little ring with the rhinestones in it, and it hangs from a bulb pin. Let me see if you can see that real good. It hangs from a bulb pin that's got some beads on it. And then this is a book plate that I made. And this is aluminum, a piece of aluminum. It actually was a drink can, a soda can. And I wrote the word smile on it backwards to emboss it, or deboss it, I guess you would say. And then I just layered it up. It makes a nice little book plate. So this is going to be kit number 1. Okay, so this is kit number 1. If you are interested, it is only $15 plus shipping. And I have a limited number of kits. I'm going to have to see how many when we get done. So this is kit number 1. Okay, this is kit number 2. In this kit, I have this beautiful card with 4 different embellishments on it. We have paperclip, 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 and then this is a ribbon crimp hanging from a bulb pin, and it's got some chains, and they all have chains and beautiful beads and gorgeous things hanging, plus one of my large paper flowers that I made. You also get this button card, and it's got these 4 great vintage boho looking handmade buttons, and I hung these from bulb pins. So you also get 4 bulb pins with that, and you can choose to stitch that onto your journal page or just leave it as is. Here is a nice book plate that I have written the word believe on. And here is the dangle. This dangle also hangs from this little bulb pin, and it's got some copper beads on it, and it's got this beautiful key. So this is kit number 2. Okay, this is kit number 3. We have another beautiful card full of dangles. And listen, these kind of embellishments, you can put them on your junk journal cover. You can hang them from the edge of a page. You can attach them to a card, a journaling card. You can attach them to your spine, whatever you want to do with them. Leave them on the card. They're very pretty. These are just layered with lace. This one has some coffee dyed muslin that I put in there. Coffee dyed laces. They're hanging from bulb pins, which have the little seed beads on there, roquels actually. This is your button card here. It's got 4 of the handmade buttons that have been heat embossed. Here is the book plate for this one, says Inspire. And here is the little dangle, which again, you can hang from anything you want to hang it from. It's got a little miniature safety pin on there and all these cute little beads. I hope you can see that. and you can just dangle it from anywhere, and that is kit number 3. Okay, so here we are at kit number 4. We've got 3 more lacy dangles on the ribbon crimps, just layers and layers of coffee dyed laces and yarns and just all kinds of, and one of my, this is one of my watercolor paper flowers that I made. It turned out real cute. I put beads in the middle. This is the faux buttons for this one. So these have a different finish. This has more of it's a shiny finish, but it's not the heat embossed. But this is like a linen paper. This is like a burlap paper. So they're all different textures. Here's the book plate for this one. It says Dream. And here is the journal, the dangle tag for this one that says Journey. So this is kit number 4. Okay, here we are in number 5. Number 5 has 3 altered paper clips full of coffee dyed lace trims and beads and crystals and pearls and all kinds of beautiful things there, and one of my flowers that I made. Here's the button card. It's got all these different buttons with different textures to them. Here is the little dangle, and it's full of crystals, and it has a little number 2 there. And then you get a jumbo book plate with this one. It's got the cutest little birdhouse wood veneer there. Isn't that precious? And this is like the music, maybe he's singing. And then the brads I used on this one, I dyed those with alcohol ink. And they are just a gorgeous golden color. I hope you can see that. So this is kit number 5. Okay, here we are at kit number 6. Check this out. This is a super jumbo paper clip. And I've got my lace layers hanging here, lacy trims, little beaded dangles, some necklace pieces here. And then look at this. Look at those long, don't you love those long pieces? Isn't that darling? Love it, love it, love it. I've got a crystal up in here, and I've got a little chain there and one of my giant paper flowers on that. Here's the button card. It has faux buttons. Heat embossed, I should say, heat embossed. They're shiny. It has a jumbo book plate that says journal. Yay! That's for the front of your journal. And this one comes with this butterfly. It's a beaded butterfly that I made. So it is made out of this vintage printed fabric, and you can hook it on, clip it on, however you want to attach it. To be great on a journal cover. Hope you can see that. Really pretty. This is kit number 6. Are you ready for number 7? Oh, I love number 7. This may be my favorite so far. But see, I love glitter and glitz and crystals, and can you see the shine? This is an altered paper clip. You can see there's a paper clip there on the back of it, and it has this chain dangle. It's got this beautiful crystal chain here, has the Aurora Borealis finish on it. Layers of crystal, tea dyed and coffee dyed, crystals and lace. Look how beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these things. Little bitty crystal there. So you get 4 gorgeous altered paper clips. Here you get 4 faux buttons that I have heat embossed, and this one comes with this massive, gorgeous boho tassel. Look how pretty that is, guys, and it's huge. And look at this giant crystal. Isn't that the prettiest thing? I love these things. I don't know where I got them, and I'm almost out of them, but I love them. But this tassel's got beads, it's got laces, it's got eyelash yarn, it's got all kinds of goodies in it. Same price, guys, $15 plus shipping. This is kit number 7. Okay, look at kit number 8. Okay, so you do get a button card that has been heat embossed. Beautiful button card. But looky, looky, looky. Oh my goodness. These altered paper clips are made from an antique quilt, and it was just falling apart antique. I mean, just so, so gorgeous. The clips themselves, I have colored with alcohol ink and distressed them so they look old and rusty, but they're actually, it's just done with inks. And then I have added beads and layers. I've done stitching on here. I've added flat back pearls, just all kinds of layers of different things. This is absolutely stunning. I was actually going to keep this for myself, but I decided to add it in this sale. So this, same price, guys, number 8, $15 plus shipping. Okay, here we are with kit number 9. Here is another button card with the buttons hanging from the bulb pins. And looky, looky, looky. This is a set of 3 different embellishments. They are removable. They're just kind of stuck on there. So you can remove each one and put it on your journal anywhere you want to. I have free motion embroidery is how I'd put the words on there. This one has this beautiful cameo and a dangle hanging there. This one has the word journal, and it has a little butterfly beside it. I kind of hate to take them all off, but I want you to be able to see them a little bit better. So this has the word journal. It's got this cute little butterfly. And this one says grace, and this one has these little tassels dangling from it. So this can be used, these 3 guys plus the card behind it can be used in your journal plus your buttons. This is kit number 9. Okay, and kit number 10. Kit number 10 has 3 altered paper clips in here, beautifully packaged. Has your buttons, your faux buttons. It comes with this gorgeous boho bead. It's got a little fingernail moon with a kitty cat dangle at the bottom, and this beautiful black shiny bead. It comes with a fabric butterfly that I have made. I added the beads in there, and another fabric butterfly. So you get 2 in this kit. And this is the final kit for today's sale, number 10. Remember, all the kits are a little bit different, but they're all the same price. They're $15 plus shipping to the U.S. I will ship overseas, but the shipping, of course, usually gets kind of expensive. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And just give me a message below if you want to purchase anything. I use PayPal, and you can contact me there. Thank you. Bye-bye.